Good evening, this is Ashish, session number UR15C038. Today I'm going to show you the experiment of Dbms experiment number 2, that is DML and DSL commands. So here are this question that we have to perform using the SQL. So the question is like populate all the record for each the table that we did already in the previous experiment, and copy the customer details table to new table called custinfo. Earlier the table name was customer details. Now we have to change it to custinfo. So for this we have to, for populating all the values to the new table, first we have to create a table name custinfo. So this is a table which has been created, and these are the column names: cust id in the number data type, login name as a varchar, register date as a date data type, type is varchar data type, then first name as varchar and last name as varchar, date of birth and date. So these are the cust info table has been created. Now we have to populate all the values. So insert into inserting the values. So populating from the customer info from previous table to this table, we have to use insert into cust info, select cust id, login name, register date, customer type, first name, last name, date of birth from customer details, the earlier table name. So using this command, all the table, and then select star from custinfo, then all the tables values from the customer details has been copied to the custinfo. Now the second question is like display the distinct name. Next question is display the distinct name of the customers. So using this, we have command called select distinct login name from custinfo. So we will get the login name as only distinct login name as a output. Then show the registration for the current date in the booking table. For this, first we have to show like what are the booking date and return date. So select star from booking. Then you performing that question, that output. So select start from booking, where booking date is equal to sys date. So no booking is present in the on that sys date. So no rows has selected has been the output, printed as the output. So next question is like show the registration, list the register number of car which is green in color. So in this, select star from car details where color is equal to green. So we'll get the car ID, registration number, color and brand as this. Then create a save point S1. So as save point S1, then save point is created. Then update the table luxury car as first class in the car table. So update price details, set car type is equal to first class where car type is equal to luxury car. So two rows has been updated. So all the luxury cars car type has been updated to the first class. So from these are the price details values. So next question is remove the record from the registration made in current date. So delete from booking where booking date is equal to sys date. So 0 rows has been deleted. Then experiment how the transaction is recovered using rollback to S1. So we have to create a rollback to S1. The rollback has been completed. So select star from price details. Then experiment how the display the luxury car annual income as annual income along with car type from as price details. So these are the price details. So we have to do select base price per day into 12 as annual income, comma car type from price details. So this is the annual income value will be printed, like base price per day was 2000. From using annual income, the value has been printed. So now the question is insert a new record in custinfo and commit it. So insert into custinfo values. These are the values that has been inserted, and then commit using commit command. Commit is being completed. Then delete the newly created record from the table. So delete from custinfo where cust id is equal to 6. The new record has been deleted. So see only the 5 records has been there in the custinfo. Then try the rollback, observe the result. So rollback is being created, rollback, and then these are the again the 6 new value is being added. Then truncate the table custinfo. So truncate table custinfo has been created, then table is being truncated, and try the rollback and observe the result. So rollback is created, select star from custinfo, no rows has been selected. So these are the output for the second experiment. Thank you.